Discover the Buca CityCat VR50 and VR50e from Buca Municipal. Advanced design, spacious cab and smart operating controls deliver efficient, powerful and sustainable urban cleaning. Four-wheel steering makes cleaning even in tight urban spaces simple and precise. Operators can switch effortlessly between Buca Municipal compact sweepers and washers thanks to a user-friendly human-machine interface. Powered by a Euro 6 diesel engine, the diesel version handles long shifts and demanding routes, with reliable performance reaching speeds up to 80 km an hour for quick transfers between work areas. Offering quiet, zero-emission operation, the electric version combines a 137 kWh Buca battery pack with impressive endurance and can travel at speeds of up to 50 km an hour to stay productive around town. Coil springs at the front and leaf springs at the rear provide superior ride comfort, while an optional self-locking differential boosts traction when it matters most. The pushed brush system, combined with four-wheel steering, offers unparalleled manoeuvrability. Two collision-protected brush arms can be controlled together or separately using the SmartCon armrest, achieving up to 2,750mm sweeping width. Standard ground pressure control ensures perfect results with reduced wear, while optional hydraulic tilt adds flexibility for more challenging tasks. A straight 250mm suction hose ensures high airflow and low risk of blockage, while water recirculation and freshwater nozzles effectively keep dust down. Hard-to-reach debris is tackled effortlessly thanks to optional manually or hydraulically operated leaf suction hoses. Various options extend cleaning performance, hand lance on reel, multiple water pumps, and the high dump for more flexibility when unloading. Inside the fully glazed, spacious cab, operators work comfortably with the SmartCon multifunction armrest and C-Sense touch display. A 5.6 cubic metre hopper paired with 880 litres of freshwater capacity delivers fewer stops and more productive hours. Designed for quick service access, helping reduce downtime and total cost of ownership. Buca Connect Digital Fleet Management helps lower costs, track data, and maximise fleet efficiency. Step up to the next generation of urban cleaning with the CityCat VR50 and VR50e from Buca Municipal.